Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will be sharing how I oil my hair, why I started using wooden combs, how I use scalp massager before oiling and after oiling, do's and don'ts of scalp massager, a lazy hair oil making process which is simple yet very effective, and also I will be sharing a trick to make your hair shine. So without further ado, let's start the video. So I bought these combs from Amazon. However, I took 4 of them since I do hairstyles on my Instagram page, but if you want a particular one, I'll mention that link in my description box below. So let's get into the point first. Why did I start using these wooden combs? It is simply because compared to plastic combs that I have been using for years and still I do it sometimes, wooden ones have wider bristles which allow the comb or brush to glide easily through my hair. It detangles hair way faster than the plastic combs with minimum effort and strain on the hair. This led to reduced hair loss and breakage. And another thing, I don't know you have the idea of static electricity और नॉट, मतलब जब हम लोग प्लास्टिक कोम से अपने बालों को कोम करते हैं तो समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि हमारे बाल खड़े हो जाने लग जाते हैं. What happens is the plastic combs are covered with negative charged electrons and our hair is left with positive charge. This separation of charge makes our hair stand, which is called as static electricity. कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया ना, खैर छोड़ो ये सब and wooden combs को use करो. So for oiling, I have changed my top. So let's talk about massaging the scalp before oiling. The reason why I'm doing this because it stimulates and open the pores so that it helps the oil to get penetrated into the scalp faster. Just do it for 5 minutes in small circles. You can even comb your hair before the process starts. While massaging, put a mild pressure so that the blood circulation happens even more faster. Massaging in big circles might tangle your hair, so prefer small circles. So this is the homemade hair oil where I already uploaded a video on it. I just added kalonji seeds as another ingredient, rest all are same. Anyways, I will tell you in small as what ingredients it contains. It has fenugreek seeds, kalonji seeds, aloe vera, curry leaves, vitamin E capsule, that's it. I have cooked all together and this oil is the result. Now let's talk about lazy hair oil making process. First of all, why I'm calling it as lazy? Because this oil is especially for hostel or PG students who cannot prepare homemade hair oil, as we need to cook some ingredients which is not possible when we stay in hostel, and they do not have to go to the market and buy it as all the ingredients are available online. So all we need is 1 cup of coconut oil, 1 spoon of fenugreek and 1 spoon of kalonji seeds and 3 vitamin E capsules. That's it, nothing else needed. If you want to add castor oil or mustard oil, you can add 1/4 cup of it. Mix all together. Now the most important thing is storage. You can store this for 2 months but only in a glass container. Why? Because if you store it in plastic, there will be leakage of chemicals from it which might get dissolved into the oil and hence spoils it over time. So glass containers are the best for storing it for long time. Keep this bottle under the sun for 3 days or in a cupboard for 5 days. The ingredients in the oil gets diffused, which makes it more effective for thick hair. You can even shake it after transferring it in a bottle. Now to heat the oil, we are going to boil the water and put the oil in it for 1 minute. Remove it when the oil becomes warm. Now evenly apply it all over your scalp and gently massage with your fingers in between so that the warm oil gets penetrated into the scalp. So guys, this is what I want to tell you. Here's a trick I use to get a shine on my hair. To the oil, I take 3 drops of aloe vera gel. I mix it well and apply on my hair, especially the ends which tend to become frizzy sometimes. Try this hack and let me know how it worked for you. Aloe vera just smoothens the hair strands and makes it look healthy and shiny. Now let's look on how to do scalp massaging after oiling. This time you need to be a bit careful as our hair becomes more weak after applying oil. Make sure you don't put more pressure, no combing, only massaging it in small circles. This one will be very effective for you as it helps in the easy blood flow, makes your hair grow faster. So now let's look at how to cover our hair. I have got this satin cloth hair cover. Before I used to prefer plastic, but it was spreading the oil on my forehead creating a mess. So bought this stretchable satin cloth. The best part is it is adjustable. You can adjust according to your size. Satin cloth prevents friction and hence reduces the frizziness, and that's why I started using this cloth. We have also got these 3 cute satin cloth rubber bands as a freebies. Now I'm gonna put all my hair up and cover my hair. You can keep this oil overnight and wash the next morning, or you can keep it for 1 hour and then wash. There were so many people who asked me, can we keep it for more than 2 days or not on Instagram? I would suggest not to do, because there might be chances of attracting more dust which might settle on the scalp and create dandruff. So this is what we don't want to do. Minimum 1 hour, maximum 1 day is enough. So guys, this is how it turned out. I kept it overnight and washed it the next morning. Do this twice a week for better results. All the ingredients are natural. I myself ordered it from Amazon. You can find all the links in my description box below. I think I have mentioned everything in the video. If not, mention it in the comment section and I will answer you. So guys, that's all for today's video. We'll meet in the next. Till then, take care and have peace. Kindly do subscribe and hit the notification button for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.